Sir. Yeah. No, sir. This is a presentation you asked for yesterday.
You idiot! This is not the presentation I asked you for.
Sir, but you asked for the same presentation, sir.
Have you lost your mind? This is the
No,
wrong
sir, I
presentation.
have not lost my mind, but you asked for this
You-
on this.
You bloody Indian! You're arguing with me.
Sir, I'm not arguing with you, sir. You always told me bloody Indian, so I'm not arguing with you, sir. The thing which you asked.
Listen. I'm telling you this in a nice and polite way. If you need to work in my organization, you need to follow my rules and my regulations.
Sir, I'm following your rules and regulations, sir.
This won't work here. This will work in your India, your poor country, India. This works in our advanced
Sir, this is
nation.
about the project, not our country, sir.
This is our advanced nation, bro. This won't work here. This is primitive. This is primitive presentation. Who will watch this? This is shit.
Sir, you asked me the same that I made.
These Indians, they think it's their birthright to do anything they want. Just because Aryabhatta was born in your nation doesn't mean you have right and you are always correct. This is wrong, and I need you to start it over again.
Sir,
Just get lost.
no, sir.
Get lost.
Just, sir, you asked me the same
You're fired. This is
What
not the
happened?
presentation.
Sir, what happened?
This Indian is insulting America.
Sir, not insulting.
You insulted America?
Let it be. The security will take care of him.
Excuse me, are you fine?
Come over.
आप इंडियन हैं? क्या हुआ? What happened? ठीक है हम?
हाँ, हम ठीक है. काफी मार दिया यार बॉस ने यार. बहुत चोट दर्द दे रहा है यार. आप बता रहे थे कि कहाँ से हैं आप?
मैं भाईजान पाकिस्तान रावलपिंडी.
पाकिस्तान से हैं आप?
क्या हो गया भाईजान?
नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ.
भाईजान यहाँ आकर भी इंडिया पाकिस्तान.
वो बात नहीं है, तब भी क्या बताएं हम आपको.
क्या पता है भाईजान, अंग्रेजों के बांटे हुए हैं हम लोग हैं. आप लोग भी ऐसे करेंगे यहाँ के?
नहीं, बांटने की बात नहीं है. और अब देखिए, आपको इतना तो पता ही है कि हमारे दोनों देशों में क्या हाल चाल से क्या चल रहा है.
पहले तो हम दोनों भाई थे ना. पहले से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर आपको बॉस ने मारा, मैं ना आता, मैं भी मारता, तो होते ना कि हम भाई नहीं है.
बात तो सही है आपकी.
भाईजान खून तो दोनों का एक ही है.
सही बोल रहे हैं आप. जो भी है, बॉस ने काफी मारा यार.
ऐसे ही कहानी मेरी भी है. जैसे आज आपकी धुलाई हुई है, मेरे को भी किसी और ने धोया था.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
आप ही की बिरादरी के थे, बिहार से.
अच्छा जी.
हाँ, एक बड़ा जबरदस्त तेज लड़का था, हमारे ऑफिस में आया.
कब की बात है?
कोई होगी 2005-2006 की बात.
अच्छा.
मेरा बड़ा अच्छा काम था रावलपिंडी में.
अच्छा.
इंडिया भी एक्सपोर्ट करता था मैं.
अच्छा.
तो मेरे पास आया, बहुत तेज लड़का था. फाइनेंस में दिमाग उसका बहुत तेज था. धीरे करके
तो
उसने
बताइए क्या किया आपके साथ, हम उसको समझा देते हैं.
अब क्या किया पुरानी बातें
ना बताइए. आप हमको बताइए, हमारे यहाँ का है. आप हमारे अपने मतलब भाई है. आप बताइए क्या हुआ था.
वो लड़का था, क्या नाम था उसका, कोई आपके ऐसे मोहक करके.
अच्छा.
वो आया मेरे पास, जी मेरे को नौकरी दो. इतना सा था जब मेरे पास आया था वो नौकरी के लिए.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद सारा काम मैंने सिखाया, सब कुछ मैंने सिखाया. मेरे को ये लूट के कहीं चला गया. और ऐसा लूटा कि मेरी आवाम, वो मेरे खिलाफ, मेरे को और मेरे वालिद को पाकिस्तान छोड़ना पड़ा.
But you need to expand our business, bro.
You know the place.
I think India or Pakistan would be good. You know, we'll find dirt cheap labor there.
India is doing great. It's emerging.
I know it's emerging, and you know it's very cheap. You'll find dirt cheap labor.
It's dirty. It smells.
I don't
Money
want to
grows.
visit India. It's a very dirty place.
We can earn. Let's go to India.
Okay, if you say so. Let's take somebody along with us. We won't be able to handle those bloody Indians.
Okay. I know a guy called Mohak. In India only. He's there.
Okay.
We do business with him. With Mohak.
We'll contact him.
हेलो.
दादा. अच्छा. हाँ. गोली चमड़ी आ रही है. अरे चिंता नहीं करना, जमीन तैयार है. कितना निकालना है? अरे मेरे तू बस परेशान नहीं हो, देख मैं संभाल लूंगा। 1 लाख की जमीन है कि 1 करोड़ की गोरी चमड़ी को क्या पता यार।
Give me some water, bro.
हेलो हेलो, आई एम मोहक मोहक।
Mohak.
We do business.
I gave you a call before.
Yeah, you gave me a call for this land. You wanted to see the land.
Where's the plot?
Okay. Hello, myself Mohak. Namaste. Okay, come.
Where's the land?
I'll show you the land. Come.
The land, yeah.
Yeah.
I want the business, the best land.
Yeah. The best land I'll give you. The best one.
It's too hot. Where's the plot?
Yeah, it is hot, but see.
Where's the plot?
See now here.
This-
See,
this
this
is-
is the land for
is the-
business. Business.
This is the land where I'll do business.
Yeah, this is the place for
You
business.
made the plot. I don't like it. Show me something good.
This is very good. You will do business here. Your business will reach sky into the cloud.
It will reach inside the ground. It's a black stone.
No, it will not. Mine. It is of 1 crore, 1
I need a
CR.
diamond.
You need a diamond.
I'm establishing a big business. I'll give you part of it.
Okay, okay. Come,
Yeah.
come, my friend. Come here. See
Whoa.
this. You see this?
This was the thing I was talking about.
You wanted diamond? I give you platinum.
How much you need for this one?
This-
How much it costs?
This will cost you 5 crore. 5 crore.
5 crore. It's expensive.
No, it is not.
One of my friends said that in India land is very cheap.
This is of 5 crore, but only 5 crore, only.
Only 5 crore. Okay, I'll talk to my partner and I'll confirm with him.
But you confirm early. If you tell me in 2 days, I'll give you in 4.5 crore.
Yeah?
Yes.
I'll
sir.
talk to him.
Okay.
See
Are
you.
we done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
It
you.
was pleasure doing business with you.
Yeah.
Same to
Okay,
same.
go,
Same
go,
to same.
go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go.
Hi, bro.
Yo, Michael, what's up?
This land you're talking about?
This is the plot. Diamond. Piece of diamond. A real business.
Nice, I like it.
See the road and the other road.
We have plenty of space.
Plenty
What
of
say we
space.
should finalize
Yeah.
the deal?
We should finalize the
How
deal.
much is the asking price?
He said 5 crore, but if we deal him within 2 days, he will give some discount.
We can manage that.
But
I think we should finalize the deal then.
it's not expensive.
Yeah, I think we should finalize it.
We should find. Okay, let's
Let's
make a deal.
आहा, मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया। गोरी चमड़ी फंसी। 5 लाख का प्लॉट 5 करोड़ में सोना बरसेगा अब तो। 5 लाख का।
अरे
आहा।
मोहक, भाई साहब आपका नाम मोहक हुआ ना?
आप कौन?
अरे हाथ तो मिलाई पहले।
हाँ जी। एजेंट, रियल एस्टेट एजेंट।
अरे
plot
हाँ
देखने।
पता है आप एजेंट रियल एस्टेट। हमको एक कोई मिला था बाहर में, वो बता रहा था कि वो भाई साहब पाकिस्तान के थे और आपने उसका बिजनेस के साथ कुछ गड़बड़ किया था।
जी नहीं।
आपका यह गलत काम है। बताइए, अभी भी 5 लाख का प्लॉट आप उनको 5 करोड़ में बेच रहे हैं। बताइए कि हमारा देश का क्या इमेज बनेगा
आप
बाहर
गोरी
में?
चमड़ी की बात कर रहे हैं।
अरे
गोरी चमड़ी
भाई
गोरी
साहब,
चमड़ी होती
भाई
है
साहब,
भाई
बात
साहब।
गोरी चमड़ी की बात नहीं
अरे
है।
आप देसी
बताइए।
हैं, आपको चाहिए
देखिए,
आप 10 लाख में
अरे
हम आपको ऐसे
हमें नहीं
दिलाएंगे।
चाहिए, हमें नहीं चाहिए। हम बता रहे हैं कि हमारा देश का नाम कितना बदनाम हो रहा है बाहर में। आपको समझ आ रहा है ये बात? बाहर में लोग हमारे देश के कितना, मैं अभी हम बाहर में थे, बाहर में हमें क्या बता रहा है कि आपके देश में ये होता गलत बात बताया जा रहा था।
आप विदेश से आए हैं?
हम विदेश से आए हैं, मगर हमें वहाँ पे बहुत गंदा दर्जा दिया जा रहा है।
Hey,
आप कैसे
Mark,
मददगार हैं?
Mark.
हेलो सर, हाउ डू डू? अरे यू गेट ऑफ
You
यार।
again came.
अरे
I he is not, he is not.
How's you, sir?
Sir,
I
you are
bet-
doing
I
अरे
bet
who is
visited
this?
our
I
country,
bet this
sir?
guy. He was in my company.
अरे he
I
is
bet
not
him.
good person. We beat him.
Sir, just a minute, I want to talk to you.
1 second, Mark. 1 second.
अरे you come here. I show you the plot.
1 second. Stay
You
away.
want one more plot?
Sir,
Don't touch me.
sir, you come here, sir?
I came for the land.
Sir, it's very cheap land, sir. How much you are paying, sir?
Only 5 crore.
5 crore?
Yeah.
Sir, it's cost around 5 lakhs, sir. It's there in a advertisement. Have a look, sir.
Oh shit. Let me call my partner. Michael. These Indians are cheater. We are not dealing with them. Let's go back. Yeah. The plot only cost 5 lakh. And he said 5 crore. Cancel the deal. And you know who told me about this? The guy we bet in America. Yeah. Okay.
Raj, sir.
Raj, I'm sorry, man.
Thank you, sir.
I was wrong about Indians. That deal, I canceled it, man.
Well, what happened?
You know that guy, Mohak, he was cheating on us.
My God. What
Yeah.
did you come to know about it then?
The other guy, we bashed him. Raj.
The Indian guy?
Raj, yeah.
Yeah.
he informed me that the plot real cost is only 5 lakh.
Saved us. He's a real nice guy. Where
Yeah,
is he?
I invited him. He's there.
Oh man, you're here. How are you, man? How are you? You saved us.
How are you?
We are
Raj?
so sorry, man. You
Welcome
bashed you,
back. We
man.
are sorry again.
You are hard, man. You know
Your
what?
salary is rise, and you will get all the compensation. Okay? Don't
Thank you,
worry.
sir. Thank you, sir.
You
You
are
know,
part
man,
of
what
us.
I've come to realize now.
Yes.
Indians are not bad people. They are equal people. They are very nice people.
These 5
I like
sectors,
him, bro.
they are not same. Some are bad, some are good. We should
This
respect-
guy saved us. He saved us as a company.
Respect all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Man, respect, man.